Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with this awesome video. Today I have with me the newly launched Redmi Note 9. It is after a success in their Redmi 8 series. The 9 series is making a debut. They did a 9S a few weeks back and now they've come up to complete the series with Redmi Note 9 and Redmi Note 9 Pro. Today we're going to talk about Redmi Note 9 and in the next video I'll be doing a 9 Pro and then probably a comparison between the two as well. The box is pretty simple. It's got Redmi Note 9 branding on two sides and some technical specs on the other. While I open the box and see what it packs inside, why don't you please go and press that subscribe button and that bell icon so that you can continue to get all the videos that I post and keep yourself posted on the latest gadgets that are coming into the market. The one I have here is forest green and under this thing is a USB-C type charger cable and the adapter, and that's pretty much what's inside the box. While I turn this on, I'll be right back and after using it for a few hours and tell you more about what this packs inside. In the meantime, keep peace and don't forget to press the subscribe button and the bell icon. Hello guys, I'm almost done setting this monster up. This is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm with Redmi Note 9. This is the new entrant in the Redmi series and it is series 9, and now this phone is all set up and ready to rock and roll, and let me tell you a little about what this bad boy packs. From the look and feel of it, it's your mid-entry level of model. It packs an IPS LCD captive touchscreen. It's still pretty good with 16 million colors. It's 6.53 inches and still has resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, which is 19.5:9 ratio. It has got Gorilla Glass 5 in the front and a pretty standard plastic body at the back. It has MIUI 11, which is on Android 10. One of the things which they've done good with this particular phone is make it a little bit more friendly for the gamers, putting in a MediaTek Helio G85 12nm processor. It's an octa-core processor which is 2 GHz Cortex A75s and 6 of 1.8 GHz Cortex A55 processors, which means pretty decent power for the kind of price point this bad boy is going to sell at. It's got a dedicated micro SD card slot and a dual SIM. In terms of memory, it comes in two different variants, 64 GB with 3 GB RAM and 128 GB with 4 GB RAM. The one we have here is the 128 GB 4 GB RAM variant. When it comes to the camera, it has got a beautiful new design which is absolutely brilliant. You know, instead of the traditional vertical alignment of the camera, they're pretty neatly, and the fingerprint scanner at the back which perfectly blends in with the layout of the camera, not making it very weird looking. It's a 48 megapixel quad cam setup where the primary camera is 48 megapixel with f1.826 mm wide cam and an 8 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide camera which can go up to 118 degrees ultra wide, and it's got a 2 megapixel f2.4 macro lens and 2 megapixel f2.4 depth lens as well, along with the standard features of LED flash, HDR and panorama to take the kind of pictures and videos you want to make. It can record videos at 1080p at 30 frames per second, which is pretty nice. At the front as well is an on-screen camera with which is 30 megapixel, and it is a standard cam with f2.3 which is 29 which and also records 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. Along with that, the phone is pretty decent looking. It's a bit dull sort of a finish. It comes in 3 different colors, which is forest green, midnight grey and polar white. The one we have here is forest green. It is avoiding because of the dull finish that it has, it is avoiding the fingerprints at the back, which is pretty nice, you know, and along with the fingerprint scanner which is mounted at the back, it also has the standard, you know, accelerometer, gyrometer, proximity sensor and and the compass and the infrared on the top. At the bottom is the C-type port and 3.5mm jacks. It seems Redmi is still doing these for a bit. One of the things which I absolutely love about the Note series is the battery. Now this monster packs a big huge 5020 mega amp battery at 80-watt charger, which means in about little over an hour's time, maybe an hour and a half, you can have your phone fully charged up from absolute zero, and you should be good to go for at least 2 days, which is pretty awesome. It also has a reverse charging of 9 volts. I think that's one with the variant where you have the wireless charging capabilities in the variants. I'm not sure if this one does have that. Let me just quickly go through. It doesn't say it on the box. I am not sure. I don't think the variant which they've come up with here in the UAE has the wireless charging, but if it does, brilliant. It has a 9-watt charger, which means you can still use the wireless charging capabilities of the phone. Pretty nice looking phone. I've always adored the Redmi Note series, and this 9 series is absolutely perfect. Well, this is your friend, the Great Lobbyist. I'm going to sign off with this phone and come back to you with the elder brother of Redmi Note 9, which is Redmi Note 9 Pro, in my next video. So keep watching that space and press that bell icon and the subscribe button so that you know when I post that video, and many more. In the meantime, keep safe and keep peace. And one thing, when you subscribe and press the bell icon and press that, give us a thumbs up if you like the video. You have a chance to win some amazing prizes, which we're going to give away for by the end of this month. May competition will be selecting one winner for the month of May from our YouTube subscribers and giving away an amazing gift. Peace.